Every transaction around the globe, every new business deal you close, every merger, acquisition, every public-private project that comes to fruition, and every exchange of capital that leads to profit and a positive impact on our world begins with a connection. Standard Chartered's heritage has been built on making powerful, global connections aimed at driving personal wealth, business success, and economic prosperity. We connect great ideas to investors who enable and scale them. We connect companies to their suppliers and customers. We connect your businesses to new markets across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. And we connect clients to clients. One day, we connected with you. And now we invite you to tap into our network to connect to the opportunities you wish to unlock next. Welcome to Standard Chartered Connectors.